In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in PowerPoint 2010. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your presentation or simply need a straight line to connect ideas, drawing lines can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your slides. Let's dive into this process step by step so you can master this skill effortlessly. To begin, make sure you have PowerPoint 2010 open on your computer. If it's not already open, go ahead and launch the application. Once the program is up and running, the next step is to navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation you want to work on. Open your desired file and ensure that you are on the slide where you wish to draw the line. Once your presentation is ready, direct your attention to the top of the interface and find the Insert tab. The Insert tab is your gateway to accessing a variety of elements that you can add to your slides, such as images, text boxes, and importantly for our task today, shapes. Clicking on the Insert tab will reveal these options. Now, after you've opened the Insert tab, locate and click on the option labeled Shapes. This will present you with an assortment of different shape options to choose from. You'll find everything from rectangles to arrows, but for today's purpose, we're interested in a simple line. When faced with the selection of shapes, move your cursor to choose the line option. It might be displayed as a simple diagonal line icon. Selecting this will prepare you to draw on the slide. Here comes the crucial part, drawing the line itself. Click on the slide where you want your line to start. To maintain a perfectly straight line, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard as you drag your mouse to create the line. This technique ensures that your line is perfectly horizontal or vertical, depending on the direction you drag. Release the mouse button when your line reaches the desired length, and then release the Shift key. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully drawn a line in PowerPoint 2010. This technique is handy when you need to organize content, underline important points, or even guide your audience's eye to specific parts of your slide. As you continue to refine your presentation skills, consider experimenting with different line styles and colors available under the Format tab, which you can access once your line is selected. This will help you tailor your presentation to better suit your audience's needs. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this step-by-step guide makes your next PowerPoint project even more dynamic.